My name is Børge Nordenskjold. I'm a professor at the University of Copenhagen and then chief physician at Clinical Biochemistry and Copenhagen University Hospital. I'm going to talk about a just published consensus paper, which was a joint effort between the European Atherosclerosis Society and the European Federation for Laboratory Medicine, and the chair from there was Michel Langlois from Belgium. We had a group of 21 experts from the entire world come together, some from America, one from Australia, and then from many different European countries. And we assessed the evidence as whether one needs to fast before a standard lipid profile test. And what the main recommendation in our paper is that for the majority of patients, there's no need to fast any longer. You can simply take the lipid profile test irrespective of when you ate last time and what you ate. Why have we in the past used fasting? Well, I don't really know for sure, but there's different arguments. I think one is certainly this become tradition, and then we have kept on doing it. So we have gone into the evidence, and we can see that there's a lot of epidemiological studies, or even 3 major randomized intervention trials that have shown or used non-fasting lipid profiles, and essentially they show similar results as all the fasting trials or studies. The only difference may be that triglycerides, or so-called remnant cholesterol, might be even better at predicting risk if you use non-fasting samples. The joint consensus paper has been published in the European Heart Journal and also in Clinical Chemistry. In Clinical Chemistry, it is followed by an editorial by Neil Stone, who is the first author of the recent American ACC/ASA guidelines on lipid testing. Well, can you do it in practice? Then I would want to say that in my own country, Denmark, we have actually adopted exactly this strategy back in 2009. And everybody seemed to be happy with it, also explaining what has been the benefit for everybody. So patients are happy, they don't need to fast. Clinicians are happy because it makes the possibility patients come into the hospital lab, have the lipids test done, and come and see the doctor right away. There's no lack of time between. And then thirdly, it is very important, laboratories like it because we don't have a huge number of patients come in the morning fasting. They can come throughout the entire day.